Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I want to walk you through a coupon code delivery flow, but not just your ordinary coupon code delivery flow. This is a gamification, segmentation by gamification coupon code delivery flow, and it enables your subscribers to increase the value of the coupon code they actually can generate in your store. Now, with that, we included SMS opt-in, email opt-in, and we try to bring segmentation to the next level, which enables us as marketers to create laser targeted website custom audiences based on data we're not able to get native or by default using our ads or native in ManyChat. I'm geeking out a little bit on this, and I just want to show you what we did, how you can do it, and hopefully inspire you to do awesome stuff in Messenger. Now, what I want to show you is how this actually works. Let's go to the start flow. Let me publish this just to make sure that all the changes, there we go. Now, this is the start flow. What we do when we build flows like this with a lot of conditional logic, we do make sure we have a block like this, which we call test mode. And as you can see, the starting step is right on here. Don't forget to change the starting step when you put it live, because what this does is when I click preview here, I hit this starting step and then boom, all the custom fields, all the tags, everything that is related to this flow is actually removed from my contact record, which enables me to go through flow without actually triggering all these conditional logic blocks. Now, that said, let's preview it. And let's go into Messenger and see what a user actually sees. So what we can see here is the first message. You can see it on screen and you can see it on the phone, what a user sees. Now, first of all, this flow starts off with a little bit of an explanation. Hey, Rucker, you can unlock a discount code up to 40% of your next purchase. Tap Get Started to learn more. Well, let's get started. For every answered question, well, there's a little bit of now we actually intro them into what's going to happen. For every answered question or completed action, you can earn an extra 10% discount. Don't want to answer a question? No problem, just type skip. And what you can see here on the screen is that what we do, and we do this actually in every flow, for upon every opt-in, what we do is we set a time and date custom field. And the time and date custom field enables us to actually set a timestamp to the contact record of this subscriber with the exact time and date they opted into this specific flow. So not necessarily when they subscribed, but when they opted into this flow. And why is that important? Now, with this timestamp, I can actually create rules that say, hey, if Rutger did not take a specific action or didn't click a specific button or doesn't have a specific tag, X amount of time after they opted into this specific flow, then fire off a rule or recover him or do whatever. So make it a habit to actually create this time and date custom fields in your flows. Now, that said, what we want to do is we want to get started. Sure, I want to get a discount, so I'm going to click yes. Let's get it on. I'm going to throw it here. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask, so one of the first things we want to do here is get consent, get SMS consent. You guys know by now that the +1 is going to be deprecated. It was January, now it's March. Either way, it's going to be gone. So whatever you do, get creative in your flows, in your sequences, in your opt-in messages with email, whatever. Leverage the time left to get as much email and SMS consent as possible. And this is just one of the ways to do it. So as you can see here, what we do is we got some conditional logic going on here that says, okay, this conditional logic block here on the screen that looks, did this user already opted in for SMS? And does the phone have any value? If so, we're going to verify his phone number. Great, because we can have a phone number, but if it's not verified or if it's not up to date, then it's worth nothing. So that's why we actually verify the phone number. If in this scenario, obviously the condition recognized I have opted in for SMS already and that I also have a phone number, so that's why I'm going to see this message. If I don't have these variables, I'm going to ask for the phone number. Hey Rutger, for the first 10% discount, would you like me to keep you up to date on news and exclusive offers? If yes, great, I'm going to ask for the phone number and I'm going to do verification right there. So in this scenario, I'm going to verify my phone number by clicking this button. Great. I'm going to get this next message. It says, it looks like I'll be sending a text to whatever the phone number is I have on file. There it is. It looks like I'll be sending a text to, this is my phone number. Feel free to call me or text me. And what we do here, as you can see here in this condition block, we increase the actual value of the specific custom field that generates the value for the coupon code by 10. And guys, this could be 5, it could be 20, whatever value you want to put in there, you put in there. We set the SMS opt-in to true, and we apply a tag that somebody actually answered the question. If they take the other route, the route here where we ask for the phone number, we check if the phone number they entered contains some plus, because that is the correct format. If so, great. If not, we redirect them back and we ask them to retype their phone number. Now let's go to the second question, because that's where some magic is actually happening. Here we go. Now, in this flow, you're going to see what we call a bulletproof method, because what we know is when that people in your flows, you probably recognize this, people in your flows, they break your flows. They type when they need to tap. They type when they need to tap. And if you do not anticipate for user input, your flow will break, bad user experience, no good there. So what we're going to do, what we did here to anticipate on people breaking the flow, it's not even a trick, it's just sort of a feature in ManyChat you can use, but it's not used that often. So that's why I want to show you how we did this. So again, we got some conditional logic there. I'm not going to bore you with that for now. So we got your current score, and now what we're going to do is we're going to ask the question. So we're actually here. Now we're going to go to the question. I want to increase it with another 10%. So what I wanted to do here with this question is actually segment our subscribers based on an age range, an actual age range, which sure, it's something we can do with custom audiences. But if we can do it straight off the bat in ManyChat, we can upload those we can upload these segments to website custom audiences. Awesome, super easy. Now, what we do here is, let me click on edit. What makes this bulletproof is that even if I do not tap one of these buttons, which I'm going to show in a little bit, if I do not tap one of these buttons, the flow won't break. The flow will try to recover me and tell me, hey, it looks like you didn't tap one of the buttons. Now, how you do that is you create a user input field, set it to multiple choice, and then choose allow free text input. With that, you anticipate for user input. Now, if you then get user input, you can actually match that user input. And if the user input doesn't match the value you expect, you know something went wrong. Now, in this scenario, I'm going to show you exactly what happens. So I'm going to ask the subscriber, what is your age range? Please tap one of the buttons below. But I'm not going to tap, I'm going to type. I am 26, sort of. And now the bot will respond, say, hey Rutger, it looks like you didn't tap one of the buttons below. Let's try this once more. What is your age range? And that once more is crucial because we created a sort of a safety net that a subscriber is not able to get in some kind of infinite loop of death by continuously getting wrong answers and say, hey, try again. That just doesn't make any sense. So that's where you see this condition block here. It says, hey, 2x wrong entry. What then happens, we hand them off to an admin, say, hey, something is going wrong. Sorry, one of our team will get back to you. See you later. So we take them out of the flow. I'm not going to show you that now. Trust me, that works. So let's say I'm 45 and 60. Awesome. You see, now I recovered. So I typed first. I was recovered. Awesome. Your current score is now 20%. I'm going to go to the next question. Next question is sort of similar. It's got the same setup, but again, what we want to do here is we want to learn more about our subscribers. We want to be able to segment on data we do not have by default through Facebook or through Messenger or whatever. So in this scenario, what we're going to do, hey, Rutger, what does your household look like? Tap on one of the buttons below. And we got the same scenario set up here. So if somebody types, they will be recovered. If somebody taps, they will just move forward. Now, think about this. If you are able to get the actual age ranges and what their household looks like, you can create website custom audiences of those segments. And you can create specific campaigns based on those segments. Now, let's say you have an apparel brand, whatever, and you have a flash sale for kids. You bet you're going to retarget only those subscribers that actually told you they have kids. And you're going to target them with Facebook ads, with Messenger, with SMS, with email, but specifically that sort of micro segment. And it all lives in this flow. It's pretty awesome. And again, sure, you can change whatever these questions to whatever it is. I just want to show you what you can do with sort of gamification in Messenger and take that data out to create other awesome stuff, to craft tailor-made, laser-targeted marketing messages. So let's say I got partner no kids. There we go. Rutger, your current score is 30%. Awesome. We go on. Now what we're going to do here is, for an extra 10% discount, would you like me to keep you up to date on news and exclusive offers? Yes, please. Now, this is the fourth question, and I'm now going for email and SMS consent. Looks like I'll be sending an email to, this is my private email. Again, feel free to email me. Is this correct? Let's say no. And this will then fire off a update message. Let's update your email address. Please tap on or type your best email address below. Great. This email address. Yes, that's correct. You did it. Let me generate your 40% discount code. Awesome. And then we got a little bit of magic going on there. Just a wow factor. As you can see here, I'm not sure if you can see it on the screen, but we actually add the percentage of the discount code and the 40 off. And it looks like we have a little bit of an issue with generating the first name, but the first name should be there. So say, hey, Rutger, you did it. Here's your 40% discount code. And then there's a shop now, which could lead to a product feed that lives in the bot, or you actually direct them to a sales page, a landing page, whatever it is. Long story short, with 4 questions, and this could be 5 questions, don't make it too long. You can have some fun with your subscribers. You can learn more about them. You can generate data. You can get SMS consent, email consent, all that with one simple flow in Messenger. All this data is being parsed to your ad account, updating your website custom audiences, and from there you can use that data whenever you need it. So guys, this is what I wanted to show you, geeking out on a coupon code delivery flow, gamification by segmentation. If you get any questions, please drop me a message. Happy to help you, and I hope this inspired you to do awesome stuff with Messenger.